Hi, welcome to session 1 in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning course. In this session, we will know some expressions generally we will see in this field. First expression is AI. AI is a method to make the computer mimic the human behavior, which is very general and have a lot of categories under it, like you see here in this picture. Machine learning. Machine learning is the way of AI that we are giving some data to the computer and the computer trying to recognize and understand this data and category it, then make an action. For example, antiviruses, scam detectors. This is all a pattern, and the computer from the training he can understand this is a scam. He can put it in the spam in the email, or this is not. If, for example, we are giving hundreds of pictures for male and female to the computer, so he is trained when I give him new picture, he can understand this is male or female. Deep learning is the next generation of machine learning, and through deep learning, we are taking more complex processes and more complex equations and make some multiple layers, and these multiple layers connected together like a neural network. Here we can see the differences between machine learning and deep learning, how it's connected, and how deep learning more complex than the machine learning. Generative AI. Generative AI, this is responsible for generating a new output or generating a new action or can summarize some huge data, and this is the next generation from deep learning. Here we can see the evolution of AI during the time. So the main features of machine learning is spam detection, credit scoring, predictive maintenance. But deep learning is more complex, natural language processing, speech recognition, autonomous vehicles. On the other hand, we have generative AI, text generation, image generation, music creation, and drug discovery. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next session.